Sure, but very rough. Well, hopefully not. Alright. See if it starts. A bit smoky. I can't, it's cold. I'm getting gas in this car, Jesus, but it sounds good. I don't know what the point of view is like for this, but it's gotta do. Sounds so good, so good. Ah, it feels good to have your dream car. We got the Rx7 back. Sounds so good, so good. To get your dream car is something else, but it is dirty. It is a bit filthy. So, yeah. Clean it up, give it some love. She's idling good, baby. Idling good. Grip so good around Mexico. I was losing a little bit of traction, but that's alright. Shall we go back? Shall we go back? Oh, it looks so good, man. Good, man. Yum, 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 yum. Look at that. At a gas station.
Leave me alone.
Us scientists mixing it up in the building. Look at that. I hope it starts after this, not gonna lie, because I do.
The whole point of pre-mixing is to keep it lubricated.
Thanks, Jen. Look at him, scientist going to work.
That's right.
Hey, hopefully he goes to the shop soon, so we'll see how that goes. Got me Rx7 back. This is the Rx7, the beautiful Rx7. Man, it's crazy to own your dream car, but it's far from done to being my dream car. So we've got a lot of work to do, and let's go and rip on the tollgate for a bit. Stuff. There we go. be down 1,800, but that's fine. Got to get rid of it. Damn, she looks cool.
Hello everyone. I'm here with Nathan.
What's going on, guys? As you can see, this is why you should get new wiper blades.
Driving the FC in the wet with some questionable tyres.
Yeah.
Fun. It's good fun.
And no, questionable, not questionable. They're tyres, and that's at the end of the day. They're tyres. Allegedly not going to Mexico. Like, what do we need to go?
Oh my lord.
We're gonna fucking die! Bro, why did it have to rain this hard? I didn't sign up for this! Ah! Is that fast?
If I don't come home, just know I was the one that stole all the cookies in the cookie jar.
I knew it!
It wasn't Ben. It was all me. I'm the fat cunt. My off day. Boosh. Getting some sick roller scars.
Alright, we're back again. Where it all started. I don't know where my fucking brother went. There we go. I would do a pull, but man, traffic in Melbourne's so bad. Let's see if we can do a little pull somewhere, man. They said get an Rx7, not in Melbourne traffic. Then, but get some nice video recording. Hopefully we can get out of stop and go traffic, bro. This engine's like begging to get a hit red line. It's like screaming, red line me, red line